Second round it is. Second round. Water box. Well, puddle prep. Stay in the line. You go cross that line, that guy pouring that puddle in front of it, you're out. I'm not going to discuss it. If he comes out of that line, you're out. You can burn all the way you want to, but don't get out of that puddle. And this is a puddle prep. No sprayers are allowed in this race.
Chip draw going down. Got 13 right. Jordan pulled the 7L. It's gonna work out pretty good. We're gonna be able to help each other through first round. Probably share the draggy since well, you lost mine. And yeah, work through first round here. See what we got.
Oh, is that a Dyersburg, Tennessee? Riley, Miniman.
be screaming out how fast you're flying down through there. How'd that feel?
That thing was rolling.
Yeah, man, I know it felt as good as it looked.
Pass.
Dude, that might be the best pass. Oh, not a
3/10 off since first round. 4/10. Got bracket car now. Bro.
yeah. That might be the prettiest pass I've ever seen the car make.
They just hung them out the first.
Oh, carnage! Freaking nitrous bottles. I think it got her warm. Man, what'd they do? Put too much heat in that bottle?
Oh yeah. That was a nice bottle when we released that.
Oh man, about to turn that thing into a bomb. Oh, here we are, going into third round, first pair down with what not many people see at the track. Ford Escort. This thing's light, big motor. Should be a pretty good race. Big motor, little car. You still jacked up over that last pass?
Super.
Good. We're about to do it again. Come on with it. I think there's what, 7 cars left?
Yeah.
7
8,
cars.
because there wasn't a buy.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
there was a buy. Van got the buy.
Okay,
Van
baby.
got the buy?
That could be dangerous. If he nails a tune-up on that, that could be dangerous. But
Yeah, he's been working though.
yeah, he's been making good passes. So 35 car field down to 7. So we're gonna keep on. Alright guys, well as you just seen, parachute dropped out about 300-foot mark. The car in the left lane, whether he cut the light, guessed the light, I mean the car was in complete motion in the time from the stage to the green when the tree was not lit at all. That car already had a half a car on us. Very unfortunate. Good job to him. Jordan was running him down, and about the time that he was going to hit all the power, he goes to grab the scramble, and instead of the scramble, he hit the parachute button, causing the parachute to deploy at 300 feet. He still kept driving, still stayed through the scramble, ran out of real estate, got really squirrely down on the big end. It went the same mile an hour, 15 mile an hour slower that round. So we were going to pick up probably another 2 to 3 tenths between second and third round. But just racing is what it is. But we had a great day, had super fun. The weather's nice. So all these guys down here, they put on a great show. You know, all the racers are real cool. Everybody just kind of helps each other. And yeah, 35 cars, made it down to the final 7 with not a boo. And we're going home. We didn't bring no money, but we learned some things, got some good data, and on the next one.
baby. Nice work, baby. 573.
Nice work. He's got some ball iron right there.
That wraps it up for Benton. $10,573 to win. Going home, Kendall Go and Skinny's Camp.